Meaning of doubtlessly.
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 Doubtlessly. Doubtlessly is an adverb that means without a doubt or certainly. It is used to indicate a high degree of certainty or confidence in a statement. By using doubtlessly, a speaker or writer is emphasizing their belief that something is true without any hesitation or uncertainty. The word can also be used to imply that the information being presented should be accepted as true or accurate without question. Overall, the use of doubtlessly is a way to assert confidence and certainty in a statement.